Hello, Joshua Bauer, Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids here. Today we're going to show you Safety Shield 360. With Safety Shield 360, the front of the vehicle, you get emergency braking as well as pedestrian alerts and your intelligent forward collision warning. So it actually reads the two vehicles in front of you to let you know if there could be a potential accident. So on the side of the vehicle, you also have blind spot monitor and lane departure warning. What lane departure warning does is if you're about to turn lanes, it'll actually beep at you and vibrate if somebody is in your blind spot to prevent an accident. So we go to the back of the vehicle now. So the back of the vehicle, you do have your rear emergency braking as well as your rear cross traffic alert in case you do have a vehicle that is pulling behind you when you're trying to back out of a parking spot. My name is Joshua Bauer. Work here at Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids. If you do need anything, please don't hesitate to give us a call or just look at our website, walsernissancoonrapids.com. Once again, thank you for watching our video and learning along with us about Safety Shield 360.